I wonder if a bowl lives in here. That out. I got like a little spin art thing going here. That's awesome.
Tim, what the hell happened? I thought you were inspired to start doing stuff with the CNC machine. And now this. I don't even know what to say. Yeah.
Last week I made this bowl on the CNC machine. I had made a sort of funny, silly little video about it. And I realized while I was making that video that I have never actually turned a real bowl on the lathe, so I figured I should probably give it a try. I did some one-sided bowls, but never a two-sided. So I used the same material and kind of plywoody type stuff, not the best type of thing to use. And just sort of recreated the bowl pretty closely. It came out pretty good. I was pleased with it for my first time. So here's a quick comparison of CNC versus lathe for making a bowl. The lathe is much faster and a little bit messier and probably a little bit more fun, you know, having all those chips fly up in your face and stuff. It was more likely to chip out because I was using this plywood stuff, so I had a little bit more repair work to do on it, whereas the CNC was much more slower. It was neater because I have a dust collection thing set up, and also in that slowness you're not actually standing there with it, so you can do other things. So while it is taking a lot longer, it's not necessarily tying up your hands the whole time. And you know, the quality of the finish and stuff, there's about similar. You know, came out. It was a little bit nicer, a little bit less sort of finishing. But where the CNC really wins, of course, is in multiplications. Now, I'm not saying that you should run out and throw away your lathe and buy a CNC by no stretch of the imagination. There are many tools to do many things in many different ways. I'm personally in love with this technology right now, so I'm dumping some energy into that. But the lathe was cool too. I have to spend a little more time on it as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. I was thinking about even continuing out and making more of them if I have time, but I don't, because I don't make YouTube videos for a living. I make stuff for other people for a living. One of the ways you can help me make YouTube videos for a living is to support me on Patreon at patreon.com/TimSway, and that would give me more time to waste making bowls. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and be good.